Hello everyone, welcome back to Hank's Kitchen. Today I'm going to try a new dish which is a combination of pasta with tomato sauce and ground chicken. At first, I place the pot with water on the oven to boil the pasta. Today I will use this pasta, and on the package direction it mentioned that I should boil it for 8 to 10 minutes. I add some oil and a little salt. My pasta is well cooked. I drain the pasta and rinse it under cold water. Now I will use a pan to cook the sauce. I add inside a piece of butter. I will fry the minced onion. When the onion turns yellow-brown, I add around 100 grams of ground chicken and stir fry it. After 2 to 3 minutes, I add tomato sauce and mix them together. I season it with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. I also add some cooking cream to make the sauce creamy. My sauce is well cooked. I add the pasta and mix well. When the pasta is heated, I add some coriander leaves and turn off the stove. And my pasta is ready. Before eating, I also add some cheese over the plate. The dish is very creamy, cheesy, and flavorful. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and subscribe my channel for more cooking recipes. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.